Magic Fill by Olive AI is your analyst in a box. We have a number of accounting software here, and we have a number of requirements that we want to answer. We could send someone out to go and Google for us. We could spend a bunch of time trying to search for it in ChatGPT individually, or we could just hit Magic Fill. When we hit Magic Fill, we need to confirm that we're going to use AI credits to generate the responses, and then the Magic Fill will begin. Once we see that the Magic Fill has started, you'll start to see answers populating in here. Not only will it give you an answer, but it will give you a description as to how, in this case, Xero is going to focus on accounting and invoicing, but you can configure to various integrations. On the other hand, maybe something like QuickBooks, it takes inventory management integration out the box. Now we've magic filled all available options, but if we want to just magic fill one specific solution, we navigate to the Solutions tab, and there's an individual magic fill button here. That will only magic fill that one vendor. And now we can see that those requirements for Sage are filling in. And what about if we want to ask just one requirement of multiple vendors? We do that from the Requirements tab here, add a new requirement. And then we can select that requirement. And again, we choose the magic wand, that's the magic fill button, and choose the people we want to focus on. Hit apply, and it's only going to use the credits just for those 3 vendors we looked at and that specific question. And then we can see that QuickBooks is USA based, as is Wave, with offices in the US, and Xero is actually based in New Zealand. So that's how to use the magic fill.